Welcome to Rajendra Tandon videos. We take up another verse by Surdas from Brahma Gita. Surdas was a 16th century Hindu devotional poet and singer known for his lyrics written in praise of Krishna. The lyrics are written in Braj Bhasha, one of the two literary dialects of Hindi. The genesis of Brahma Gita poems can be traced to Srimad Bhagavad Puran. According to the narration in the Puran, the inhabitants of Braj could not reconcile with the loss of Krishna to Mathura. To recollect, Krishna had been born in Mathura in a prison cell to Vasudeva and Devaki. Through divine intervention, the infant was carried to Gokul, where he was brought up by Nanda and Yashoda. As a young child, Krishna pleased everybody with his pranks, like stealing butter, breaking pitchers full of lassi and milk. And as he grew up, he started playing on a flute melodies so far unheard of. All the cowmaids of Gokul became fond of him. He became their friend, their guide in dance, and their lover. One particular gopi was very close to him. She has been named by the poets Radha and immortalized by us, calling her name before that of Krishna in the greeting Radha Krishna. To go back to the introduction, the inhabitants of Braj could not reconcile with the loss of Krishna to Mathura. The depth of their sorrow knew no bounds. Krishna sent Uddhav, a classmate of his, to Braj, where he explained the divinity of Krishna to his parents, Nand and Yashoda. He told them that Krishna was formless, unborn, without a beginning and an end, and omnipresent. He advised them to look for this Krishna rather than the child they had brought up. At this juncture, the gopis who had assembled by this time took Uddhav aside and probed him to learn as much as they could about their beloved Krishna. They repeatedly chanted Krishna's name. Meanwhile, a black bee droned into this assembly. The gopis taunted Uddhav through the medium of black bee. These verses are therefore named Bhramara Gita. Bhramar is Hindi word for black bee. In the verse that we are taking up today, Radha has a complaint. She's sad beyond measure, and one of her friends tries to please her by playing on Veena. Radha says, I can't be made happy by your playing on Veena. दूर करहु बीना कर धरिबो मोहे मृग नाही रथ हाक्यो नाहिन होत चंद को ढरिबो बीती जाहि पे सोई जाने कठिन है प्रेम पास को परिबो. Don't play on this veena, because listening to this, the deers pulling the chariot of Chandrama have become so happy They are besotted and become slow, and therefore the night is not passing. This gives me so much discomfort. I want the moon to set, to go away so that the sun rises. In the night, my virha, my anguish on my separation from Krishna increases. Only those who have suffered know where the shoe pinches. बीती जाए पै सोई जाने कठिन है प्रेम पास को परिवो. The entanglement in love is very difficult. The person who is left alone suffers. जब ते बिछुरे कमल नयन सखी रहत न नयन नीर को गरीबो. Since he has departed, the lotus of my eyes are full of tears. शीतल चंद अग्नि सम लागत कहिए धीर कौन विधि धरिबो. Even the cool rays of the moon singe me, they burn my skin. How do I become insensitive to my suffering? सूरदास प्रभु तुम्हारे दरस बिन सब झूठो जतननि को करिबो. Surdas writes, Radha says that Prabhu, without looking at you, everything is unreal, ugly, painful. I don't want it. However, I might try, whatever means I might use, I cannot forget you. This is the poem as written by Surdas. It's full of anguish. It's written in Virha Ras. It brings out the suffering of Radha in beautiful words. सखी अपने हाथ में वीणा मत धारण करो, उसे हटा दो. इसकी मधुर ध्वनि को सुनकर चंद्रमा के रथ में लगे हुए मृग मोहित हो गए हैं. रथ का चलना बंद हो गया है. रात्रि खत्म होने में नहीं आती है. जिस पर बीती है वही जानता है. घायल की गति घायल जाने और न जाने को. प्रेम पाश में पड़ना ही दुखदाई होता है. ईश्वर करे कोई प्रेम जाल में ना फंसे, राधा ने कहा. मेरी तो दशा यह है कि जब से श्री कृष्ण गए हैं, उसके वियोग में मेरी आंखों में आंसू बहने बंद ही नहीं होते. इस वियोग में तो मुझे शीतल चंद्रमा की भी अग्नि के समान तापदायक महसूस होता है. अब मैं कैसे धीर धारण करूं? सखी कैसे धरूं मैं धीर? सखी तू मुझे सुख देने के लिए वीणा बजा रही है, परंतु मैं सुखी नहीं हो सकती. Brahmar Gita is a fabulous combination of Virha, grief of separation, Gyan and Bhakti. It's a composition in the face of which Gyan takes a back seat. Here the entire logic of yoga accepts defeat. All that remains is absolute devotion, Bhakti and Bhakti alone. Surdas believed human beings can get mukti, salvation, with Krishna's blessings. A sincere bhakt is superior to the jnani, yogi, karma bhedi. We stop here today. I shall come with another video tomorrow. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for visiting this site.